Welcome to my channel, and today I have a sprinkler head is not working correctly, and I have 5-minute project is all it takes, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's do it. Yeah. With this sprinklers, let me go ahead and turn on the water. And the water is leaking out of right there below, right by where the red lock is all the way around, right underneath it, and it just creates a lot of water cutting it down, which we're going to fix it right now. So how to fix that? So let me go ahead and shut it off. The tools that you will need for this project is I guess you call it crescent wrench. I don't know. You get the big one and then the small one, and then a Teflon tape and a woman shovel. And then I'm just gonna go dig around it. I'm just going to dig around this just enough to get to the this sprinkler head, so I can undo this part. And then let's go ahead and use this to undo the sprinkler head. And let's grab the bottom part so it doesn't move the head. And I'm just gonna use this Teflon right here, and I'm just gonna go all the way around. Okay, and then let's do a tuck sealed. Let's go ahead and put it together. And then screw it back in. Okay, let's put let's put this one right beneath here. I don't even know the name of it. And so prevent from moving. And go ahead and turn this one to lock it. Okay. Now let's clear all this out and let's test and see if it's gonna work. Got me in my direction. Well, that's the proof. It doesn't leak anymore. Of the sprinkler head. So that is another that is a 5-minute project for you. So you can do this. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you like. Bye.